Okay, Alex, I've got this sheet up for us on algebra, which is going to help me understand where your problems lie. So, would you read out question 1 for us?
The cost of hiring a boat is £50 plus £250 for every day it's hired. Write down a formula for C, the total cost of hiring the boat for n days.
Do you think you can do this question?
Not really.
Why not? What's hard about it?
Don't know where to start.
Okay, well, it's asking for a formula, isn't it? So, and it wants a formula for C. So what do you think the first thing you'd write down is?
C.
C, yeah. So, and then what do you think you'd write next?
Equals.
If it's a formula, what are we going to need? Yeah, the equals sign. Well done. Okay, so what does C equal? How do you work out what C is?
Not sure. Don't know.
Okay, well,
Not sure.
what about if I hired the boat for 2 days? How would you work out how much it cost me?
Well, costs £50 plus £250 for every day.
Yeah. So what would you do to 250?
You times it by 2.
So if it's n days, what do you have to do to the 250?
Times by n.
So can you write down the answer now, do you think? Good. So yeah, I think you pretty much could do that one. You just need more practice on those sorts of formula questions, maybe. Okay. Will you read out this next question for me?
The diagram shows a triangle. Write down as simply as possible an expression for the area of the triangle.
Can you make a start?
No, I don't know where to start.
Well, it's asking for an expression for the area of a triangle, right? So there's a particular formula which might help you here. What might it be?
I don't know what. A for area?
Yeah, A for area, right? And what is, you do know how to find the area of a triangle?
I think it's the base times the height.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Divide it by 2.
Yeah, see, I thought you'd know that one. That's fantastic. Okay, so can you see what you need to do next?
Put in these numbers.
Yeah, the base and the height. Well done. Okay, can you plug them in?
Yeah. So base 5A.
Yeah, well done. Yep. And can you simplify that down?
5 times 12. That's 60.
Well done.
Divided by 2.
So what's the answer? That's good. Well done. That's correct. And if we just go back up to the top, because it's multiple choice, isn't it? Which option is the right answer?
E.
Fantastic. Good job on that one. Okay, so let's continue. This is an equation you need to solve. Do you want to read it out to me?
4x plus 5 equals 2x plus 6.
Do you think you can solve this equation?
No, not really.
What are you finding difficult about it?
I don't know. Probably the x's, both sides.
Okay, so maybe if we started off where there's just an x on one side, we can work up to that question. So here's another question for you to try. Can you solve this equation?
Yeah.
That's really good. Well done. Do you want to explain why you took away 4?
Did it in school?
Yeah, that's a good answer. But why are you allowed to just take away the 4?
Because we've got to get x on its own. So x equals...
Yeah, you do. Yeah, that's right. But how come you're allowed to just take away 4 like that? What makes that possible?
Because we got +4.
Yeah, that's right. So what you did is you took away 4 here, right?
Yeah.
And you also took away 4 here. So what you've done is you've taken away 4 from both sides of the equation, right?
Yep.
Yeah? So that's why you're allowed to do that. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's try something a bit more like the question that you got stuck on just now. Now, what I'm going to do with this, to try and help you with it, is I'm going to draw a line down the middle of it. Because what is really helpful with these questions is if you always think, I need to do the same thing to both sides. Do you think you can give this a go?
Oh. It's like the first one, I'm not too sure.
Yeah, but you were able to deal, if we go up, you were able to deal with this 4, right?
Yeah.
So what can you deal with in a second equation, which is in a similar position?
3.
Yeah, the 3, good. So what would you do to both sides of this equation first?
Take it away.
Yeah, can you do that for me? Fantastic, well done. And any ideas on what you need to do next?
No, not really.
What's the problem?
Well, you got 8x here and 2x here, so you've got x's on both sides. I don't know how to deal with them.
Okay, well actually, you can deal with them in a really similar way to how you just dealt with that 3. Because, which side do you think you want the x's to be on?
Probably the left.
So which x is on the wrong side?
2x.
Right, so what you do is you can take away that 2x, just like we did the 3. Okay?
Alright, so it's like, yeah, just like another number, yeah.
Yeah, so can you write out what you'd have on both sides of the equation after doing that?
Yeah, so ax minus 2x, so 6x.
Good.
Minus 2x cancel out, so 12.
Good. So are you able to tell me what x equals?
X equals 2.
Fantastic, well done. Great, so now I think we should be able to go back to the question you couldn't do. Do you feel more confident about it?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Let's give it a go.